James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're tying a very fun Salvatore Ferragamo tie. Brand new tie, got in, actually got it in a few weeks ago, but when they shipped it, it had a bend in it, and I couldn't get the bend out, so I had to take it to my dry cleaners to get them to take care of that. They had no more of the same tie back at the store, so I just kept it and had it dry clean and everything else. But it's a really fun tie. It is a Salvatore Ferragamo green tie with lions, with little blue substances, I don't even know what they are, little geometric shapes around the lion. And it's the same color blue as this shirt. That's why I'm pairing it with this particular shirt. Salvatore Ferragamo novelty ties are a lot of fun because they're a very high-end luxury tie. You know, you're going to pay $190 for this tie, $200 for this tie. High-quality silk, super high-quality silk. They are buttery soft to the feel. They're wonderful ties. They tie a really good tight knot and they stay tight all day. But they're fun to look at. When you see us from a distance, oh, it's a nice looking tie, you know, and then you get up close, you're like, are those lions? Really? Are those lions? They are lions. So let's tie this baby up and see how it comes together. As with all Salvatore Ferragamo ties, it's pretty thin tie. I didn't go over that with you. It's fairly thin, super soft. So nice thing about tying Ferragamo, I have a ton of them. So I usually know where to start, and with a Ferragamo, it's usually going to be right around this range right here, where I have this just below, about halfway down my belly. And let's tie it together. We take the long part over top of the short part. We come up under and through. Then we come around behind, keeping everything tight. Up, over, down, and through. Now with this being a thinner silk, we really got to focus on keeping the substance of the knot, keeping it all tight together. We straighten it up. This is what I call the check point. And then we're going to come back around the front, creating a little pocket. Come behind, up and through. Then we're going to come down through a pocket we just created. We're going to hold the top of the pocket, and we're going to pull the tie down through that. Now we're going to turn the corners, or the sides down, the edges down, hold on to the knot, we're going to pull on the tie to tighten up the knot. Got a beautiful, perfect triangle. Then we're going to hold the knot, we're going to pull on the short part, and we're going to bring it up to our neck. And then we want to check for length. We want the tip of the tie, this part right here, to be between the top and the bottom of our belt buckle. And we're right at halfway, exactly perfect. So let's bring this collar down. Let's see how this comes together here. Tidy everything up, as I like to say. Make sure the collar stays right out of the way. I'm telling you guys, Ferragamo ties tie a perfect knot. This knot will stay tight the whole day. They also make them plenty long enough to tuck it into the back, into the keeper. And let's adjust all that. Now the look's going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen. I'm going to go through it with you right now. Today we're wearing a brown Hermes Zegna suit. It's a brown suit. For those of you who keep asking about the linings of the suit, Zegna does just a pretty simple lining, and like most Italian tailors, they have the striped arm linings, if you can see that. Brown Hermes Zegna suit. We're wearing a blue Isaia shirt. It's a blue Isaia, has some faint pinstripes that are visible when you get close. We're in a green Salvatore Ferragamo tie with little lions throughout. We're in a brown Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold belt buckle. We're pairing it today with a beautiful pair of chocolate brown Bally Oxfords. Bally makes a wonderful shoe. And that's the look for today. If you want to check out my Instagram, it's Tie Guy James Akers. On that, you're going to see close-ups of the ties. You can see all the little lions, the belt, the shoes, selfies of me wearing the whole outfit stage and everything. So check out my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. Guys, I appreciate you watching. I am ready for work.